Namaskaram to all the beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome to Kancheepuram Varamahalakshmi Silks. Today I'm at Secunderabad, Patni, and I brought you the beautiful collection of semi-Mashru. Let's start with my saree. Beautiful color, mint green color. What a lovely saree. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely peacock motifs along with very pretty border in silver zari, jal pattern. Very lovely, right? Let's check the pallu now. With lovely running pallu along with very beautiful running blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree double M triple three and the price of the saree 5,099. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow, very pretty, very beautiful red color, very lovely color. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely dot flower booties in a golden zari. This lovely saree is highlighted with beautiful border with meenas and lovely parrots. It's very lovely running pallu along with very beautiful red color blouse. To shop this lovely saree, let's see the price and details now. Code of the saree double N351 and the price of the saree 4,899. Let's move on to another beautiful semi-Mashru collection. Very elegant color, navy blue color, very lightweight. This lovely, beautiful saree has a very pretty parrots all over the body. This beautiful saree is highlighted with lovely border, self border, with lovely flowers and parrots, along with the running pallu. Very elegant, right? It's very lightweight, very easy to handle. Beautiful blouse with flower booties on that. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the item code double N336 and the price of the saree 6,099. Let's move on to another lovely sarees. Pretty pink color. Very elegant and very beautiful. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful checks pattern, lovely munias, very elegant, right? And let's check the border now. The border is highlighted with very small temples, beautifully designed, very pretty. And let's check the pallu. Beautiful running pallu along with the running blouse. Now let's see the present details. Code of the saree double M335 and the price of the saree 4,399. Now let's check the another lovely saree. Pure semi-Mashru saree, beautiful, elegant yellow color. The overall body of the saree, we have flower booties highlighted with meenas. Beautiful flower meenas. Very lovely saree with pretty border highlighted with golden zari in diamond shape pattern. Very lovely, right? Along with the running pallu. The pallu is highlighted with lovely meenas. It's very beautiful, elegant blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, let's see the code and details. Code of the saree double M340 and the price of the saree 4,999. Before moving on to another lovely saree, I would love to share that we have cash on delivery only available in Hyderabad and global shipment. No matter in which part of the country, which part of the city, or which part of the world you live, we deliver these beautiful sarees to your doorsteps in no time. Let's move on to another lovely silk mushroom saree. Wow. Gorgeous green color. Very pretty color. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with lovely peacocks. These peacocks are highlighted with lovely minas. Very elegant. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border in floral jar pattern. Let's see the pallu. Beautiful running pallu along with the running blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, let's check the price and details. Code of the saree LW449 and the price of the saree 5,099. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's go on to another beautiful saree. Very elegant, very beautiful color, peach color. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with peacock along with the minas. Very beautiful. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border highlighted with golden zari, small temples and peacock motifs. Very beautiful, very silky. And with running pallu along with the beautiful running blouse. Now let's check the price and details of this lovely saree. Code of the saree M509 and the price of the saree 4,399. Let's move on to another pretty saree. Beautiful color, royal blue color, very lovely color. The overall body of the saree we have floral jal pattern highlighted with silver zari parrots. Very pretty, very elegant. This beautiful border with lovely running pallu in golden zari. Very, very beautiful saree. Very rare color actually with lovely blouse. Now let's see the price and details to shop this lovely saree. Code of the saree M345 and the price of the saree 5,099. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Before moving on to another lovely saree, would love to share that we have video call facility also. So take a screenshot from today's collection and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002 and a team will assist you. Let's go on to another lovely saree from today's collection. Once again, very pretty color, pretty pink color. This lovely saree has a very beautiful flower motifs all over the body. Beautiful border, highlight with jars, golden zari, self border along with running pallu with diamond shape pattern. Very elegantly designed with very lovely blouse. Now let's see the present details. Code of the saree M354 and the price of the saree 5,999. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection. Very lightweight, very ethnic, easy to handle, pistachio green color. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely flower motifs and beautiful checks pattern. It's very pretty, very smoothly designed border. Very elegant, right? With beautiful running pallu, highlighted with mango paisleys, along with lovely blouse. Very pretty blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item codes double M357 and the price of the saree 4799 and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow, another royal color, navy blue color, very elegant and very beautiful. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely peacock motifs in silver and gold combination, along with the beautiful border in silver zari, floral jar pattern, along with the running pallu. Very beautiful, very silky and very easy to handle, along with the lovely blouse. Now let's check the price and details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree double M348 and the price of the saree 5099. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's Mashru collection. What a color, very beautiful ethnic color, yellow color. The overall body of the saree, we have golden zari peacocks highlighted with lovely minas. Very elegant, along with this beautiful border in floral jar pattern. Very elegant, very lovely color with running pallu, with mango paisleys on the pallu. Very beautiful blouse. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree double M338 and the price of the saree 5999. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow, very beautiful color. Lovely color we have from today's collection. The overall body we have parrots highlighted with beautiful minas. Lovely maroon color. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border. Let's check it out. This lovely border is highlighted with beautiful parrots with minas. Very elegant, right? Now let's see the pallu. Self pallu, along with beautiful maroon blouse highlighted with dot booties. Very elegant. Now let's check the price and details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree double M337. The price of the saree 6499. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection. Gorgeous grey we have, ladies. Very pretty color. The overall body we have floral jar pattern with beautiful flowers, mango paisleys, mango motifs in silver zari. This gorgeous grey color saree is very elegant, very lightweight. We can carry very easily. Let me show you the pretty border now. Very pretty border in a floral jar pattern, highlighted with silver zari, with lovely running pallu, with very beautiful tassels. in floral jar pattern. Very pretty. I love this color, man. It's very elegant color. It's very beautiful blouse. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree double M 506 and the price of the saree 5699. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Another color we have in the house is pretty pink color. Beautiful peacock motifs all over the body. Very lovely in golden and silver zari with beautiful running border in floral jaw pattern with lovely running pallu in silver zari in floral jaw pattern along with beautiful running blouse. Let's check the price and details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree LW444 and the price of the saree 5099. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection, semi Mashru collection. Wow, very pretty color. Again, royal color, navy blue color. The overall body we have vertical silver zari lines. Very elegant. Highlighted with very beautiful border with minas in the parrot. Beautiful small mango booties. Highlighted the border, very elegantly designed along with the running pallu. The pallu is very elegantly highlighted with beautiful parrots in the minas. Let me show you the blouse now. This lovely saree has a very elegant blouse. Very pretty. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree M343 and the price of the saree 5499. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection. My beautiful ladies. Wow, very lightweight, easy to carry. We can shop it for temples, events. Very lovely color, pink color. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful flower motifs. Very elegantly designed border highlighted with horse in silver and golden zari combination. Very elegant, right? Let's check the pallu. Beautiful saree has a self border along with the running pallu highlighted with beautiful horses on the top of the pallu with lovely tassels on the bottom. Very beautiful along with this plain lovely running blouse. Let's check the present details now. Code of the saree double M 346 and the price of the saree 5499. Let's move on to another lovely collection. Wow, very pretty color, wine color. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely birds. Very prettily designed in silver zari. Very elegant. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border. Self border along with the running pallu. Wow, very pretty pallu. This saree is very elegant, very lightweight, easy to handle. And let's check the blouse now. Beautiful blouse in a wine color. Let's check the price and details to shop this lovely saree. Code of the saree double M355 and the price of the saree 5799. Let's move on to another beautiful saree from today's collection, guys. pistachio green. Very lightweight, very shiny, very beautiful and elegant. This lovely saree has a very beautiful border highlighted with box shape pattern and check shape pattern with lovely alternative munias all over the body. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border. Now let's check the border. Very pretty border highlighted with small pimples, self border along with the lovely running pallu in floral jaw pattern. It's very beautiful running blouse. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the item code that is M339 and the price of the saree 4399 and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree, guys. Wow, beautiful black color, guys. Very pretty color. Let's check the body now. The overall body we have flower motifs, very beautifully designed in silver zari and golden zari with very interesting border. As you can see, we have beautiful elephants and trees on the border. Very beautifully designed and very interesting saree, by the way. Along with the running pallu in silver zari. It's a very elegant blouse. Very pretty color, black color. Now let's check the price and details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree LW452 and the price of the saree 6299. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Very elegant color, red color. Let's check the body now. This beautiful body is highlighted with small leaf booties in silver zari. This lovely saree has a very interesting and beautiful border. The border is all about 10 centimeters with lovely floral jaw pattern and minar pattern. Very lovely. Along with the self pallu. Lovely minars on the pallu. Motifs, minar motifs. Very elegant. Along with this beautiful plain red color blouse. Let's check the price and details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree M341 and the price of the saree 5999. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's mushroom collection. Wow, sky blue color. Very beautiful color. The overall body we have floral jaw pattern in silver zari along with very lovely border. Self border. Very beautiful color and very easy to handle along with running pallu in floral jaw pattern with lovely flower motifs along with beautiful sky blue color plain blouse. Very elegant. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree M358 and the price of the saree 5999. Let's move on to another beautiful saree from today's collection. Wow. Another lovely color we have in the house, my ladies, is onion pink color. And we call it as a lavender color. Very beautiful color. We have very lovely vertical silver zari lines all over the body of the saree. Very beautiful and elegantly designed. Then the interesting part, we have a very lovely border. Let's see the border. This beautiful border. It's highlighted with lovely parrots, with minas. Very beautiful and elegant. Let's check the pallu. Lovely running pallu, highlighted with minas in beautiful parrot motifs on the pallu, along with this very elegant blouse, lavender blouse. Very pretty. Now let's check the price and details of this saree to shop. Code of the saree M347. The price of the saree 5,499. Last but not least, from today's semi-Mashru collection, my beautiful ladies, let's have a look. Wow. Marvelous maroon, very pretty color. The beautiful body. We have lovely small, very elegant flower booties, along with very lovely self border highlighted with flower motifs. Very pretty, very lightweight and very shiny. With running pallu in golden zari, along with very pretty blouse. Wow. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree M342 and the price of the saree 5,670. Very beautiful collections, right? So I would like to share the beautiful news to you beautiful ladies that we have stores all over the South India, in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So go rush and shop this beautiful collection from today's. And this is it for the today's guys. I'll come back with another lovely collection. Till then, namaskaram.
I usually shop in Varamahalakshmi. The best thing is here is the price range and also the varieties that we get here, and also the service provided by the people here. And the quality is the best, actually. I should say that. And somehow I don't believe in the stores who gives lot of discount and all that, which is not available here. So we trust the price factor, and very comfortable. The ambience and everything is really very comfortable. I'm a regular customer here right from the inception of the store. I've been coming very regularly, and the quality is something which is really very worth the money, I would tell that. If you are looking for all the different types of sarees under one roof, I think this store will be the best.